If you're over 45, there are a few everyday things you might be doing right now that are quietly speeding up aging, and most people never connect them to how old and tired they feel. What makes this even more dangerous is that these habits are completely normal in America. Friends do them, coworkers do them. Doctors often don't even talk about them. But research suggests these small daily behaviors slowly push your body into faster aging mode. Stay with me, because near the end, I'll talk about one habit almost everyone over 45 thinks is harmless, but it may be doing the most damage. Before we go further, if you're serious about staying strong, independent, and mentally sharp as you age, make sure you subscribe to Age Smart America. Every week we share simple, realistic advice designed for real life in the US. It's not extreme routines or unrealistic promises. The first thing many people over 45 need to stop doing is sitting for long, uninterrupted hours. In America, sitting has become the default lifestyle. Driving everywhere, desk jobs, hours of television at night. The issue isn't resting, rest is important. The problem is staying still for too long without movement. Studies suggest prolonged sitting reduces blood flow, stiffens joints, and slowly signals your body to weaken muscles you're no longer using. Over time, this can affect balance, posture, and even energy levels. The scary part is that this happens quietly. You don't feel it in one day. You feel it years later when standing up feels harder than it used to. The good news is, you don't need a gym membership. Standing up every 30 minutes, light stretching, or a short walk around the house can help your body remember it's meant to move. The second habit to stop is eating the same way you did when you were younger. Many Americans over 45 still eat on autopilot. Fast meals, late dinners, too much sugar without realizing it. After midlife, your body handles food very differently. Research suggests metabolism slows, insulin sensitivity changes, and inflammation becomes easier to trigger. That's why foods that never bothered you before can suddenly cause weight gain, joint discomfort, or afternoon crashes. This doesn't mean you need extreme diets or giving up everything you enjoy. It means becoming more aware, slower eating, smaller portions, more whole foods. Paying attention to how your body feels an hour after eating instead of ignoring the signals. Another major habit is brushing off sleep problems as just part of getting older. Trouble sleeping becomes more common after 45, but that doesn't mean it should be ignored. Poor sleep affects nearly every system in your body. Memory, mood, hormone balance, heart health, all of it depends on quality rest. Studies suggest that consistent sleep routines and limiting late-night screen exposure can help your body repair itself more effectively. Many Americans sacrifice sleep to stay productive. But after 45, poor sleep can age you faster than almost anything else. Sleep isn't laziness, it's maintenance. The next habit might surprise you. It's avoiding strength activity because you think it's unsafe at your age. Many people over 45 believe lifting anything heavier than groceries is dangerous. In reality, gentle strength work is one of the most protective things you can do as you age. Research suggests muscle loss accelerates after midlife if muscles aren't used. Weak muscles increase the risk of falls, joint pain, and loss of independence. Strength activity doesn't mean heavy weights or intense workouts. It can be simple movements using your own body weight, resistance bands, or light weights. The goal isn't to look younger, it's to function younger. Let's talk about something most people don't consider aging at all: constant stress with no recovery. In America, stress is often worn like a badge of honor. Long work hours, financial pressure, non-stop news, always being reachable. After 45, your nervous system becomes less forgiving to constant stress. Studies suggest long-term stress can affect heart health, immune function, sleep quality, and even memory. Many people feel tense all day and don't even realize it anymore. Short daily pauses matter. Deep breathing, quiet walks, stepping away from screens. These small breaks give your body a chance to reset. This isn't weakness, it's survival. Here's another habit that quietly speeds up aging: ignoring minor pain and stiffness. Many people over 45 accept daily aches as normal and stop paying attention to them. But pain is often information. It's your body asking for movement, recovery, or change. When pain is ignored, people tend to move less, which can make the problem worse over time. Gentle mobility, stretching, and staying active can often help maintain comfort and confidence as you age. If this is making sense so far, comment below and tell me how old you are and which habit you recognize in your own life. Your comment helps more people over 45 find this video. The truth is, aging faster usually isn't caused by one big mistake. It's caused by small daily habits repeated for years. The good news is, those same small habits can be adjusted. You don't need perfection. You need awareness and consistency. In the next video, I'll explain one simple daily habit many experts believe helps people over 50 stay mentally sharp longer, and it's something you can start today without spending money. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. If you know someone over 45 who might be doing these things without realizing it, share this video with them. It could genuinely help them age better. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making health changes. Thanks for watching Age Smart America. Take care of your body today. Your future self will thank you.